Hello YouTube, it's Mark again. 2 videos in one day. Today we are going to change out the headlights on my 95 Ford. Okay, this is a 95 Ford F-150 and I already did the one side. And how I did it, we've got 3 10mm. You know, we have to have that blasted metric system. You know, America sent people to the moon and back, and it worked good enough then. But anyways, 1, 2, 3. And then underneath the headlight, you can feel it, is a plastic push-up to lock it in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull the headlight out. Then there's tabs, plastic tabs, where it goes into the fender, then pull it out. And what I replace them with is anyhow, they are here it is. I replaced them with ZXE Sylvania. And this part number was H139008 Xenon headlamps. This thing's 8 years old, and the bulbs that were in it, I think, were original, and they weren't doing the job, especially at night around here. Back through the hills with all the deer, it was very hard to see even with high beam. So I'm going to undo these 3 bolts, pull this headlight out, and I'll be back. Okay, got it pulled out. Look at this cob job. That's not from me. I bought this used. But anyways, twisted the socket out, pinch right here, pinch that down, and you remove the headlamp itself. Now I'm going to put it back in, and you got to be careful. There's 3 notches down in there, and they're different sized. One is bigger to receive. I got to show you this too. Right here, that notch is bigger, and it has to go in the bigger hole. Otherwise, you'll be frustrated. So anyways, put that in. Yep, I got it. Hold on a minute. Now, there it goes, clicked in. Now, you gotta get those pins in the back. Get everything else to line up here. A plastic push tab. That's it. Then all you gotta do is worry about lining those holes up in there. Screw it back together. I'll show you how it works. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Many, many times brighter than the OEM ones. These should fix my problem. Done. One thing I did do when I put these back in, I did dip them, where's my finger? I did dip them in a little grease, because you know in Buffalo we have plenty of salt and rust. It's a shame because this is a really good truck. But anywho, in and done. The 2 I took out, I'm going to put back in the packaging and save them, because you never know when you could need them. I think that's going to be it. This is going to be a short one. Have any questions? Ask. Put it in the comment. Do you like it? You don't like it? You want to do it? You're not sure? Ask me how. We'll come back out and show you how to do it again. Thank you guys. It's Mark again from Suburban Plantation. Oh, I look hideous. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. please like, subscribe, comment, something. Let me know someone's watching. It's doing someone something good. Thank you very much. Next time.